Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we'll be exploring together a tool that can be useful to use. We will take an in-depth look at the ATVIO MyShop cell phone tripod and see how it performs in practice. Here we have the ATVIO MyShop tripod. Let's see how it looks outside of its packaging. As you can see, it has a quite attractive and versatile design. It is important to note that for better performance, it is recommended to use it on a solid surface. One of the standout features is its adjustability. You can adjust the height and position of the legs according to your needs. This is great as it allows for greater comfort and stability. But here's something interesting. The legs are detachable. This is useful for transportation or convenient storage. And don't worry, resembling it is simple and doesn't affect its performance. Now, let's see how it holds a cell phone. As you can notice, the tripod securely holds the device in place. This is crucial to prevent unwanted movement during use. Also, the tripod head allows you to adjust the angle of the cell phone. However, it is important to be cautious as the locking mechanism can easily come loose. Make sure to use it on a stable surface to avoid any issues. In conclusion, the ATVIO MyShop Tripod is practical, functional, and affordable. It offers versatility in its adjustment, and its detachable features makes it really convenient to carry everywhere. If you found this video helpful and are interested in getting the tripod, I invite you to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your participation is valuable to use. Well, that's all for today. I hope this review has been helpful to you. Remember, the ATVIO MyShop Tripod can be a great ally in your everyday life. See you next time.